Okay, Ty. So what are we doing?
Making an egg drop contraption.
Contraption to try to protect an egg from dropping it?
Yeah.
How far are we going to drop it, Gabe?
5 feet 8 inches.
Okay. And what are we, according to the instructions here, what are we restricted to pretty much?
Popsicle sticks, hot glue, and rubber bands.
Okay. And we are creating 2 models, and are we using regular eggs the whole time?
No, we're gonna use plastic eggs at
Plastic,
first.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Hard at work. So give us a little rundown of what you've been creating this morning.
I have been creating a egg protector.
Okay. And show us this creation. Excellent. Very nice. So you've kind of got 3 layers there. What's your philosophy here?
That when this hits it, it most likely will break. But when so these will probably break, and so will this. But these should not really break. Even if it does break, it will probably only break up to around there, and that means that will fall, and then this thing will still be connected to the top, and the egg is hanging in there.
The egg is hanging, and it's suspended between 2 layers of rubber bands. Is that correct?
Yes.
So there's some extra padding in there.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
It's like
So you had to use rubber bands and popsicle sticks, correct?
and hot glue.
Okay. So Gabe, how do you know how high is 5 foot 8 inches? Because it's your height. Okay, turn to the side so we can make sure you're at the right height. Go ahead.
Well, it didn't break.
It didn't break at all. So our initial plastic egg, now we got to insert, no, don't do it again. We got to insert a real egg in there and see if it works. Okay, Ty Man. Now tell us about your design here for this egg project.
So I made a spring, a spring-like.
The
base.
concept of a spring. What's unique about a spring?
It has air in between, so when it hits the ground, the spring is most likely gonna break, but it is gonna absorb it. So if the bottom part breaks, then the top is not going, and the egg is not going to have as much force.
Okay, where's your egg? Show us that. Okay, and what did you wrap your egg with?
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands. Okay, why didn't you wrap it with the sticks?
Because they don't absorb it.
Okay. So you're hypothesizing that the rubber bands give it more cushion.
Yeah, but I was actually expecting the rubber bands only for when it bounces around, but I made this so tight it's not. So now it's mostly going to be for the bottom impact.
Okay, so it can be absorbed through the bottom, and then the rubber bands to added protection.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, why are we using me as the dropper?
Because I am not tall enough.
Yep, I'm 5 feet 9, so it could be a little bit below my top of my head here. So, okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it didn't even break. Right.
Let's go!
What's different about this particular drop than the last drop?
We have a real egg in it.
We have a what?
Real egg in it.
There's a real egg in it. Okay, so here's our 5 foot 8 dropper.
Yeah.
Begin. All right, let's inspect.
Oh, my egg broke.
Oh, Gabe's egg broke.
His broke?
Oh.
Ew.
I don't think my broke, boys.
So Gabe, talk about your, what's the name of your craft?
The Rocket 19.
The Rocket 19. Okay, and tell me about, it didn't work with the real egg, but it worked real well with the practice egg. Why not?
It didn't work with the real egg because the real egg landed like this.
So we were wondering if maybe it was heavy and so it flipped over in flight. Maybe we'll be able to slow it down when Daddy edits the video and we could find that out.
Yeah.
Okay, but it was a great concept. I don't really know why it would have broken because it did such a good job in the test flight. All right, Ty, what happened with yours?
Mine hit the ground and it landed like this, which I was hoping for.
Okay.
Because this is, I made it like that, so if it landed like this,
It wouldn't crash.
This side would not touch the ground.
Okay, it looks like it kind of sustained some damage down here.
Oh yeah.